turns out the medicine was so expensive she couldn't afford it. She was discharged with a prescription that she couldn't afford, and none of us knew what the others were doing. And it brought up close the importance of the coordination, our disconnected healthcare system, and patients especially who are really struggling to access care tend to fall through the cracks, and it offers additional challenges for our need to take care of these patients who deserve better than what our system is able to provide. She was doing the best that she could. We were doing the best that we could, but our system just doesn't support working together real well sometimes. There's a lot of work to be done, and it's important, I think, that we try to keep in perspective the needs of our community, and the fact that none of us can do any of this work on our own. We really have to work as a team, and that's not the way necessarily that the system has functioned in the past. So getting pulled in too many directions is a risk, but the realization that you can't go through life, and especially in medicine, with blinders on and not pay attention to the larger issues, the social determinants of health. I can't solve problems like unemployment or economic downturns, lack of housing, but I certainly should consider these issues as I'm taking care of patients. And thus my involvement in the residency program. I've never considered myself an academician. I'm not necessarily the best read person, the best educated person in the world, but I certainly can bring together resources, and if I can train residents that may consider these other population health issues, then it can multiply the effect that I can have, where it's even a greater benefit than me and that one patient behind the exam room door. It's really humbling to be named a hero of health when there are so many heroes every day. And I am always aware and cognizant of the fact that heroes come in a lot of different forms, and the real heroes are the ones that are never recognized or acknowledged. I appreciate the recognition, the acknowledgement of things that I've done, things I've tried to do, but I fully understand that I can't do what I do without the support of a lot of other people, my wife and my kids, my family, all the people that I work with,